some milk.
Okay.
Okay, I need some milk. And I think I'll have some fish for dinner. And pepper. Okay, so now I need you to check me out.
I will.
Okay, you gotta use the dinger to, you gotta weigh the pepper and you gotta scan the milk.
He knows how. See, I know how, Pa.
Did you turn it on? Okay. Good. Yep, that's good. You rang that one. Good. Now you gotta weigh the pepper.
Let him do it. He knows how.
Okay, this is good. Okay, you're gonna weigh the milk. Make sure. Okay.
No.
Now,
How do you say clean up on aisle 5?
I am fine. I clean up aisle.
hey, I want to buy these too. Do you have to weigh those?
We're not gonna bring the milk.
Okay, when you're finished. Okay.
5-13.
5 something? Okay. Milk weighs 5 something. Perfect. Here, I'll take that, okay? I'll hold my milk. Now, how much does the fish weigh?
I've got to be.
Oh, you gotta beep the fish first? Okay.
Different.
Here, I bought some milk for Cookie for his, he can have milk and cookies.
The fish is swimming. The fish is swimming.
The fish is swimming.
He's still swimming.
Oh, here, hold on. Here's the fish. He got away. What, was he slippery?
No, he's swimming.
He was swimming? Is he gonna let you scan him, or is he swimming too fast?
He stopped.
Oh, he stopped. Okay, got it.
So, swim into your basket.
Okay.
He swam into your basket. Tell Pa what's his total to pay.
I got away. Oh, I got it.
Oh, you're gonna weigh it? Okay.
Oh, what
How much does the fish weigh?
$17.
$73?
No, 17. The fish is $17. Okay. Let's scan the pepper.
There you go.
All right, thank you very much. Now you can go make dinner.
Oh, don't forget your receipt.
Oh, I need a receipt. Okay. And that's my receipt of everything I bought? Perfect. This is just like Trader Joe's. They give me a receipt.
You went shopping at Trader Joe's.
Yeah, I went shopping at Trader Joe's and they gave me my receipt. It says I bought milk and a fish and peppers.
Hey, did Pa forget to give you money? Tell him how much it is. That's the microphone.
How do you open the cash register? How much was the money?
Pa.
Oh, I have to pay with this? Okay, here. There's for my groceries.
Thank you.
Okay? Oh,
How do you
perfect.
tell him? Have a nice day.
How nice.
Is there cleanup on aisle 7?
Nah, we took care of all the cleanups.
Clean up aisle 5. Clean up aisle 5. I talked through the mic.
You talk through the mic. Hey, is that your comfy blanket?
Yeah.
Wow, that looks soft. And